nice ass old filing cabinet organization at its finest. Yeah. That's a cute little bathroom back there, and I like this chest, this oak chest. It's a nice oak chest.
Mom, let me get that light, bro.
Here. I'm going out. There you go. Oh, it's not very good. Keep it. Probably good. Yeah. That's not that bad.
There we go. Bro, there's a safe right here. Somebody opened. This house caught on fire down here. This is the basement. Give you a tour later. But this is an old safe, and the code, it's closed. So this is abandoned now. Oh, that's creepy. Dang, is that a monitor? That's an old monitor. Nice painting. Oh, another horse. Some stuff in there. Bunch of Christmas stuff. Alright, I'm out.
Well, it's not abandoned.
Well,